Hey everybody, it's Danny here with Daily Reviews. And if you're looking for a tire repair or patch kit, check this one out from Vehiclex. This one is going to come in this nice case. Everything is housed in here. This is super easy to throw in your glove box, in the back of your truck. I carry this in my RV. Takes up minimal space. Again, when traveling down the road, space is important. So this one is very compact, and they're going to give you all your necessary tools inside. You're going to even get a tire pressure gauge. You're going to get some plugs. They give you lots of plugs here. Looks like you get 10 plugs. You get the tools as well, which I really like these tools because they're Velcroed in, which is stay in place. But they have a nice handle, very aerodynamical handle. So you're going to go ahead and when you have that nail or your puncture, you can go ahead and, you're going to have to do some back and forth motions first to kind of rough up the area. And then you can place your plug in here, pop it in and pull it out. And having this handle, and this is rubberized, it's really nice and soft to the touch. So I really like that. They can go back in there. You have your plugs. You have some additional stuff here too as well to help puncture and get that fix in there. So they give you all these tools, give you a little X-Acto knife so you cut off the excess, which is nice. So they throw that in there. So you keep all this handy, all that in there, and then you zip it up and you're good to go. Really like this. Shout out to the company for gifting me this. I could do a review.